Good afternoon and welcome to the Lee 3 New Year's Fireworks Extravaganza. We are super excited to bring you a great show tonight. A little bit worried. You can look at this weather. They're calling for rain, storms to come in tonight. If you know a rain dance, do it. Maybe we can avoid the rain. We'll see what happens. But we got some great fireworks set up here. Wanted to show you how we do this show, so when you're watching the show, you can appreciate what you're seeing. If you don't want to hear me talk about the details, well, then skip ahead to this point right here and you can go watch the show. Otherwise, let's check out what we got today. We have a wide assortment of things going on here. I've got one pallet set up on the left, a lot of big stuff here in the middle, another pallet on the right. Let's walk through it and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Over on the left, got a lot of 200-gram cakes. I've got one 500-gram cake, and I got some not Roman candles. I mean, they are, but they have these big breaks at the top. So when they shoot, you're going to get big effects. It's not just a ball shooting into the sky like what you would expect with a normal Roman candle. It's going to be a little bit more than that. And we're going to have 4 of them going off at once. So it should be pretty awesome. You'll see down here, I've got my detonators attached to all these. So I'm just going to be sitting back, pushing buttons and firing this show off. It should be really good. The reason I have these 200-gram cakes over here and some over there is because I'm going to be shooting them off at the same time. I'm going to shoot one 200-gram cake from this side and another 200-gram cake from over on the right side. Should fill the sky pretty good, should give a pretty good effect. At one point in the show, I'm going to shoot 2 500-gram cakes at the same time. Don't want to do that a lot because that get to be pretty expensive pretty quick. But for one point in the show, I think it'll be pretty cool. Moving along to the center, got some of these racks I'm really proud of. These big time repeaters. We've got some mini blasters with 280 shots. There's going to be 5 of those going off at once. The big, huge American Patriot 468 shot candles. 5 of those going off at once. And of course the Neon Barrage 210 shots. Really bright, really colorful. Gonna look great. All those going off at once. We've got racks with rockets fused up. So you're gonna have about 6 to 7 rockets shooting off at a time. Should look pretty cool seeing all those fly up into the air. And then one big rack with 10 of those Roman candles with the effects. After that, got all of our 500-gram cakes lined up. Should have some good effects coming from those. I've got one 200-gram cake here. The reason for that, I'm gonna have a 200-gram cake going off during the finale. Should give a good effect. It's gonna have a low to mid-level effect while the finale is shooting way up into the air. Going to be a whole lot going on. Also, these mini blasters, they're going to be shooting off while the finale is going on. Whole lot to do. It finishes up right here beside these rockets. You can see I've got 6 6-inch canister shells fused up, ready to go off. That'll be the very last thing you see tonight. So I'm excited. I've got a Strike Force here. Strike Force is an amazing cake. That's going to be shortly before the finale. It's going to look really good. And then I've got my homemade cakes. This is kind of a progression of how I started off making these. I used to just put the tubes into the milk crates. That's a good standard way to do it. Then I progressed. I built my own cake racks, put tubes into them. These are fan shaped, so the shots will go to the left, then to the middle, then to the right, and it'll just work its way back and forth. You can see the American flag duct tape. That is so we don't get any cross jumping from these fuses while they're going. I don't want, say, a fuse here to spark and jump over and catch this fuse here. So I want it to work all in order and go off the way that I want it to. So that duct tape takes care of that. And then I've got some big, massive 36 shot racks, all fused up with a variety of 4, 5, and 6-inch canister shells. Should make for a really, really great show. I'm excited to see what they can do. You can see the stuff I've got over here on the right. It's the exact same as the left, so it's going to be mirroring effects going off on the left and the right while I'm shooting those. Yeah, that's about it. Should be a great show if Mother Nature doesn't ruin it. Don't ruin our show. No, you can. You're Mother Nature. What can I do? All I can do is cross my fingers. Let's hope for a good show. Let's go. All right. Hey, what's up? The fireworks show is over. Everything went really well. I wanted to explain a few things. You're about to see the show, but a few of the things I explained to you before didn't happen the way I wanted to. That's the beauty and the frustration of fireworks. Doesn't always go the way you want it to. Usually the problems I have will be igniters not working. Thankfully, I only had one do that this year. Now, the problem was that one was on my finale cake. Yeah, what can you do, you know? I ran up there, I hit it with a lighter, all was good, but wasn't quite the finale show that I was wanting. But I think everything went good. The kids liked it. Everyone was having a good time, and it was still a pretty good show. So you'll hear me say finale, and then you're pretty much just going to see a Roman candle going off. That was not my intention. You know, sometimes things happen like that. It was supposed to be 5 Roman candles going off. Not Roman candles, but the big blasters that shoot like Roman candles. And then you were supposed to have a mid-level 200-gram cake going off, and then you're supposed to have the big cake full of artillery shells going off. Well, you know, they all went off, but they went off at their own time. Stuff happens. But as you can see, the weather has come in that we were worried about. It's actually snowing now. We got the show in before this all came, though, so hope you like it. Let me know. If there's anything you want to see, anything you think we could do that would be better, let me know. Otherwise, have a good time. God bless.
Sorry.
There we go. I saw it. supposed to be 5 of those going on competition. Bring it on and see who does better. Good job, Ella. Here is the one Reed put together.